Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you my everyday makeup routine that I've been doing over this winter season and showing you all the products I'm loving. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy the video and carry on watching. So I have most of my makeup in this bag at the moment, which is actually such a great makeup bag. It's from Soap & Glory and it's one of their glow maintenance ones. I don't know if you can buy this separately or I think this came with products in it as like a press release. But basically it's got two different compartments. One is like, they're both zipped up, which is so handy because nothing falls out. So I can keep my brushes in this one and makeup in this one. So the foundation I've been using recently is the Georgio Armani Power Fabric in the shade 2. So I just put like one pump of this onto my Real Techniques sponge and then I just dot it all over my face and start blending it in. I really like this foundation because it's sort of like, it gives a really nice even coverage, but then you can also see a little bit of skin below, which is what I like. To conceal, I'm going to use the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer in the shade 1 Fair. So I'm just going to put this underneath my eyes, around my nose and a little bit onto my chin and forehead. And then I'll just use the same sponge. Sometimes I use like the little mini sponge, but I need to wash mine. So recently on my face I've been using quite a few cream products. So the first one I'm going to use is the Hoola Quick Contour Stick. I forgot to roll it down last time, whoops. But yeah, I really love this product. So I just put a little bit under my cheekbones and through my hair. And then I just blend it up. And then I put it over my temples, and sometimes I'll take the excess like down my nose. Then I've been loving this Nars Multiple in the shade Portofino. It looks like this. So I literally just swipe a bit on my cheeks and blend it out. It's super, super easy. Then finally for the face I'm using the Claudia Schiffer Illuminator. This one is in the shade 15, I think. I thought this was a nail varnish, not gonna lie, when I first saw it. But it's actually a lovely liquid highlighter. So I just put a little strip on my cheekbones. Whoop, too much that. And then I just blend it over my cheeks. Take it up through my brow bone, a little bit down the nose. And then sometimes in the corner of my eyes. And it just gives such a lovely glow. And that's been it for the face. I just leave it without any powder because my skin is very dry at the moment. Before I do my eyebrows, I like to go in with this Soap & Glory Extreme Plump Sexy Mother Pucker lip gloss. And this really tingles, but I feel like it really does sort of wake your lips up and make them look more plump. So I'll just leave that to do its thing. Now for brows, I'm going to use the Goof-proof pencil from Benefit. This one's in the shade 3, I think, yeah. So I just start by brushing my eyebrows down, which may seem really weird, but that is what I do. I just find this is really nice and quick, this pencil. I love the like little fine pencil that they do, I can't remember what it's called now. But this one's just so quick and easy. Then to set them into place I'm using the Gimme Brow by Benefit as well in the shade 3. Then for eyes I'm going to start out by using the Bahama Mama bronzer, and I'm just going to put this on the outer corner and slightly through my crease, and then I'll take it underneath. Then for the rest of the eyes I'm using the Trish McEvoy. This is the eyeshadow and liner, like 24-hour eyeshadow stick thing, in the shade Topaz. and this just works really nicely, just all over the eyelid, and then just blend it out with your finger. Now I'll take it the tiniest bit underneath. Then I'm just going to take the black from this Stila Eyes of the Window palette, and I'm just going to put this really close to my lash line. Then for mascara, recently I've been reaching back for my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Forgot how much I love this stuff. I think this is actually a new bottle, that's probably why I like it so much, because it just makes your lashes so black and thick. Then to finish off the look, I'm using the Trish McEvoy lipstick in the shade Pink Nude, which is literally my perfect pink nude. And there we have it, that's my everyday makeup routine that I've been doing over this winter season. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!